We have some big news coming in from Andhra Pradesh. Amid politics over temple attacks in Andhra, Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy has laid foundation stone for the reconstruction of 9 demolished temples. These temples were raised by the previous TDP government for the expansion of roads. The Andhra Pradesh government will bear the entire cost of rebuilding these temples. This comes as BJP terms Jagan's move as drama to cover up his failures.
The BJP will mount statewide agitation very soon to highlight the anti-Hindu mindset of the YCP and the anti-Hindu mindset of the opposition TDP, which seems to be hand in glove with the YCP in Andhra Pradesh. To weaken BJP, they're actually attacking the temples and the idols of the Hindu deities and Hindu gods.
Ashish joining us for more details. Ashish, a big move by Jagan Mohan Reddy indeed. He's laying the foundation stone to 9 temples. This is quite a gesture that he's made in the back of a number of temples being vandalized. Investigations into it on, a lot of allegation that Jagan Mohan Reddy cares less about the temples and the Hindu sentiments. Now this comes up where he lays the foundation stone. How is it perceived by people, politics aside?
So in past 1.5 year or almost 2 year, what opposition is alleging that almost over 140 temples were vandalized. In fact, the state DGP has also confirmed that yes, over 150 temples faced attack or they were vandalized by different persons. Few were treasure hunter, few were thief. This particular gesture of Chief Minister Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy today in Vijayawada definitely is an effort to pacify or to approach to the community who are alleging government, and a lot of politics is happening over the recent vandalization of a temple, 400-year-old temple in Vijayanagar. Today, Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy, the Chief Minister, he participated in a Bhumi Pujan in Vijayawada. These temples were removed by earlier government, TDP government, for road widening. For road widening, these 9 temples were removed from their location. And today, current Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has held Bhumi Pujan. It's a gesture, but yes,
absolutely, it is a gesture and a welcome one. Of course, the BJP there. Ashish, thank you very much. BJP hitting out, calling this drama, but Jagan Mohan Reddy, they're laying the foundation stone to 9 temples. Now, coming up next.